Good morning students. This video we are going to discuss plus 1 chemistry lesson number 8. Physical and chemical equilibrium is this lesson. Derive the relationship between Kp and Kc for an ideal gas and how to find out the delta Ng value. How to find out the Kp and Kc for some example. Define equilibrium constant. First we see the equilibrium constant. At a given temperature, the ratio of the active masses of the product to the active masses of the reactant is constant. It is known as a equilibrium constant.
Next one is the write the Kp and Kc for following examples. Kp and Kc is a equilibrium constant. First one example, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 ammonia molecules. Kc equal to active masses of product divided by active masses of reactant. Same way, Kp equal to PNH3 power 3 divided by PN2 power 1 into PH2 power 3. Next example, PCl5 decomposes into PCl3 phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. Kc is a equilibrium constant based on the concentration. Kc equal to active masses of the product PCl3 power 1 into Cl2 power 1 divided by active masses of the reactant PCl5 power 1. Same way, Kp is written as a Kp equal to PCl3 power 1 into PCl2 power 1 divided by PCl5 power 1. Third example, H2 plus I2 to form a hydroiodic acid. Kc for this equation, Kc is a equilibrium constant. Kc equal to active masses of the product power number of moles of the product divided by active masses of the reactant power coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient. Same way, Kp is written as a Kp equal to Phi power 2 divided by Ph2 power 1 Pi2 power 1. Next example, 2SO2 plus O2 to form a sulfur trioxide. Kc for this equation, Kc equal to active masses of the product power stoichiometric coefficient divided by the active masses of the reactant power stoichiometric coefficient. Same way, Kp is written as a Kp equal to PSO3 power 2 divided by PSO2 power 1 into PO2 power 1. Another example, 2H2 plus O2 to form a 2 moles of water molecule. Kc for this equation, Kc equal to H2O power 2 divided by H2 power 2 into O2 power 1. Same way, Kp is written as Kp equal to Ph2O power 2 divided by Ph2 power 2 into PO2 power 1. Last one example, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water molecule and oxygen. Kc for this equation, Kc equal to water power 2 into oxygen power of divided by hydrogen peroxide power 2. Same way Kp is written as a Kp equal to PH2O power 2 PO2 power of divided by PH2O2 power 2. Next one is the equilibrium constant for the heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium is a equilibrium in which reactant and product are different phase is called as a heterogeneous equilibrium. First example, calcium carbonate in solid state CaCO3 decomposes into calcium oxide CaO and carbon dioxide in gaseous state. A pure solid always has the same concentration at a given temperature. So concentration of pure solid is taken as a constant. Similarly, active masses of pure liquid does not change at a given temperature. So active masses of pure liquid always taken as a constant. First example, calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So normally Kc equal to written as a active masses of the product CaO and carbon dioxide divided by the active masses of the reactant calcium carbonate. Active masses of CaO equal to 1 and concentration of CaCO3 equal to 1. So substitute this value in above this equation. So Kc equal to CO2. Similarly, Kp is written as Kp equal to PCO2. Next example, 2CO, 2 carbon monoxide react to form carbon dioxide and carbon in solid state. So Kc for this equation, Kc is written as Kc equal to active masses of the product divided by the active masses of the reactant. Active masses of pure solid is always constant, so active masses of carbon is not written this equation. Similarly, Kp is written as Kp equal to partial pressure of carbon dioxide divided by partial pressure of carbon monoxide power 2. Next one example, carbon dioxide and water molecule react to form H plus ion and HCO3 minus ion. So Kc is written as a Kc equal to active masses of the product into active masses of the product divided by the active masses of the reactant. Active masses of liquid H2O equal to 1. So put this value in above equation. So Kc is written as Kc equal to H plus into HCO3 minus divided by carbon dioxide. Similarly, Kp is written as Kp equal to partial pressure of H plus into partial pressure of HCO3 minus divided by partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Next one is derive the relationship between Kp and Kc. Let us consider one example. Reactant A and B react to form a product C and D. X and Y is a stoichiometric coefficient of the reactant A and B. L and M is a stoichiometric coefficient of the product. Equilibrium constant Kc is here written as a Kc equal to C power L into D power M divided by A power X into B power Y. Same way we written as the Kp equal to P C power L into P D power M divided by P A power X into P B power Y. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. We know already ideal gas equation P equal to nRT. Rearrange this equation P equal to N divided by V RT. We know that N by V equal to active mass. So above equation is written as a P equal to active mass into RT. R is a universal gas constant. T is a temperature. Based on above this equation, partial pressure of reactant and product is written as a follows. Based on this equation, partial pressure of reactant and product is written as follows. Partial pressure of A power x equal to A power x into RT power x. Same way, partial pressure of B is written as B power y equal to B power y into RT power y. Same way, C power L equal to C power L into RT power L. Same way, D power M equal to D power M into RT power M. This is equation number 4. The value of equation number 4 is substituted in equation number 3. We get 4 in 3. We get Kp equal to C power L into RT power L into D power M into RT power M. A power x into RT power x. B power y into RT power y. Rearrange this above equation. C power L into D power M into RT power L plus M. A power x into B power y into RT power x plus y. Rearrange this equation. Kp equal to C power L into D power M divided by A power x into B power y into RT power L plus x plus y. We already know that delta Ng equal to L plus M minus x plus y. So put this value in the above equation. We get Kp equal to C power L into D power M divided by A power x into B power y into RT power delta Ng. This is equation number 5. Compare the equation number 3 and 5. We get Kp equal to, compare the equation number 3 and 5, we get Kp equal to Kc into RT power delta Ng. This equation gives the relationship between the Kp and Kc for an ideal gas. Next one is that derive the relationship between Kp and Kc for following examples. If delta Ng is defined as the delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr. Np is a number of gaseous product. Nr is a, delta Ng is defined as a Np minus Nr. The Np is a number of moles of gaseous product. Nr is a number of moles of reactant. If delta Ng value equal to 0, Kp equal to Kc. If delta Ng value equal to plus value, Kp value is greater than Kc. If delta Ng value is negative, Kp is smaller than Kc. First example, H2 plus I2 to form a 2HI. In this equation, Np equal to 2, Nr equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So substitute the value of Np and Nr in delta Ng equation. Delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So delta Ng value of this equation equal to 0. So Kp and Kc relation for this equation equal to Kp equal to Kc for this above equation. Second example, phosphorus pentachloride decomposes into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. In this equation, NP equal to 2, NR equal to 1. So delta NG equal to NP minus NR. NP value equal to 2, NR value equal to 1. So 2 minus 1. So delta NG value equal to plus 1. So Kp and Kc relationship bar for this equation equal to Kp value is greater than Kc. Third example, N2 plus O2 gives 2NO nitric oxide. NP number of moles of gaseous product equal to 2, NR value equal to 2. So delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So delta Ng value for this equation equal to 0. So relationship between Kp and Kc equal to Kp equal to Kc. Another example, fourth one, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of ammonia molecules. Delta Ng value for this equation equal to delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr. Np equal to 2 for this equation, Nr equal to 4 for this equation. So substitute the value. So delta Ng equal to 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. That means negative value. So relationship between Kp and Kc is a Kp is smaller than Kc. Kc is greater than Kp. Another one example, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form a water molecule. 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 moles of oxygen react to form a 2 moles of water molecule. Delta Ng value for this equation equal to delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr. Np is a number of moles of gaseous product. Nr is a number of moles of gaseous reactant. Np value for this equation equal to 2. Nr value for this equation equal to 3. So substitute the value. So delta Ng equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. That means minus value. So relationship between Kp and Kc is a Kp is smaller than Kc. Another one example, sixth one, sulfur dioxide and oxygen combine to form a sulfur trioxide. Delta Ng value for this equation delta Ng equal to Np minus Nr. Np is a number of gaseous product equal to 2. Nr equal to number of moles of gaseous reactant equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So substitute the value in delta Ng equation. So delta Ng equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So negative value. So Kc is greater than Kp. Like this video, share this video, and thank you for watching this video.